Now, I am so excited that you have chosen to use our products to help you along your hair journey, and with that, I would love to share some tips on how you can maximize your results. But before I share those tips with you, I would like to advise you of two things. Now, if your hair growth oil arrived and it seemed to be a bit cloudy, that simply means that the temperature is below 7 degrees Celsius. Now, to get the oil back to its liquid state, simply place the oil in warm water or hot water and then continue using as normal. And secondly, we would like to advise you to take a photo of your hair in order to track your progress along your hair journey. Now, when you're taking your photo, please ensure that it's not too dark or too bright, as this can give a false representation of your actual progress. Now, to maximize your results using our hair growth oil, we recommend that you use our Here We Grow hair growth oil on a daily basis on the areas where you wish to see growth. Now, if you're unable to maintain a daily application, then a minimum of 3 to 4 times per week is recommended. After applying the hair growth oil to your scalp, you want to gently massage the oil into your scalp for about 5 to 10 minutes in order to stimulate your hair follicles. Now, to maximize your length retention using our hair butter, we recommend that you use the hair butter at least twice per week, once after your regular wash day routine and once again later on in the week. Also, when using the hair butter, you want to ensure that your hair is damp or towel dried. Then you want to take a small amount of the hair butter and massage it into your hands and apply it to small sections of your hair, starting from root to tip or vice versa. Now, this step is optional, but we do recommend that before using our length retention butter that you do trim any split or damaged ends, as these are contributing factors to breakage, which negatively impacts length retention. With that, I am so excited and I look forward to seeing your results using our products. And as a bonus, if you submit your before and after photos to info@herewegrow.store, you will receive a 5% discount on your next order. So here we grow to getting your confidence back and being you again.